Hi everyone, now let's see an example of writing a system call in Putty application. So let's open it. So just open the host name and port name what you have opened before. So after this, let's try to log in with your username and type your password. So after the authentication, we can start our commands. So let's see an example today how to write cube of a number. So the same repeats with the square of a number or some other programs. So I'll go with the cube of a number. So before that you need some setup. So we should run our x86 operating system here virtually. So to that I'll give a command in the description, you just run it. So this is the command. Run here. So after running, if you type ls, you will get this type of folder called x86. So I am changing my directory to it. So cd space x86. So now I have entered into x86. So after entering into x86, we shall see what are the files in it. So these are all the files which are present in x86. So for our program we will use only 4 to 5 files. We shall go in one order. So let's start by making a program. So first run make command. So what this makes is, up to now if you have made any programs before, it will make them. So my x86 is up to date. So else it will run the commands and it executes all the previous functions or previous programs what you have done. So after that, let's run our command to write a C program. Nano space cube.c. So here you will be writing your C program. For example, I have written my C program here. So see this, hash include types.h, stat.h and user.h. I have imported those libraries and I am giving a return type integer, and here I am mentioning void, and this is my printf statement. So here I am printing cube value of 2 is %d comma cube of 2. So and I am executing next. So to execute this, so I have pasted my code here. So after pasting this code, you can save. Once checking types.h, stat.h and user.h, and return type is int and void here, and I am writing a print statement and I am exiting there. So after writing your program, just press Ctrl X. So next Y and then enter. So you will return back to your console. So after creating, now our C program is created. So after creating the C program, let's just list it out. So since it is C, we shall check here. So my cube.c is present here. So we have successfully created our C program. Next we shall go one by one step to implement it. So type nano space, first open syscall.h file. So here we are calling all the system calls by providing a number then. So in C we use hash define to define. So I am defining here my system call sys underscore. Already I have done square before, so now I am doing cube space. Here I am mentioning the number of it, so I can give it as 23. I can give 23 as my system call. So after writing this, you can just type Ctrl X to exit, Y and then enter. So we have written back. So the work of syscall.h file is completed. Next is open nano syscall.c. So .c, syscall.c file. So in this file also we have to make some changes. First of all, I will mention the changes, please remember them. What are the changes is, we should add these two commands here. So up to now this part is completed. So these two commands, first line is extend int syscube of void. So this command must be entered in externally, and the second one is must be entered at statically, at a static position. So first we shall go to external position here. So all external files are available here. I am going to type the command extern int sys sorry extern int sys cube of void. So my first part is completed in external file. Now I must add it static files. So static files are here, just like the above file we are having cube. So sys underscore cube, sys underscore cube. So the work with this file is completed, so I am leaving this, control X, Y and enter. So we have worked with cube.c file, system call.h file, system call.c file. Next we have to work with nanospace. Next file name is user.h. So we are opening user.h file. So what we must do in this user.file is we must add a function prototype. So in C or C++, while writing a function, we'll define the prototype at top after the header files or some position there. After writing using namespace std in C++ or in C language, after the header files, we'll provide the prototypes for the function. The same thing we must repeat here. So here I have int square of int. So there I am writing just for cube. So int cube of int. So int cube of int. So we have added our prototype, and let's just close this file. So user.h work is also completed. Next we must go with the file us yes not yes. So if you see here dot s, after dot the s is capital. So remember that usys dot capital S. So we are opening this file. So here we must mention the system call. So I am mentioning my system call of my cube. So system call is completed. We can close this file. And so next open sysproc.c file. So in this file we have to make changes. So before I have wrote a print statement to print my cube function. So after while printing cube function, I have mentioned cube of 2. So that is nothing but I am calling a function named cube. So I wrote the call line, but I must write the logic no. So for writing logic we use this file. So here I have wrote for square. The same we will repeat for the cube also. Int sys underscore square of cube of void, sys underscore cube of void. So I am defining a variable name, let's give num1. So I am giving an argument pointer, argument ptr of 0 comma so I have run this, and while returning I must return the cube. So I am returning cube of the function. So this function returns an integer value which is nothing but cube of the given number. There we have given argument as 2, so 2 will come into num1 and num1 will be multiplied 3 times and it will be written. So our work with this file is also completed. So let's close it. So next, after writing this also, we must make the last change, and the last file is nanospace make file. So this is our last file where we will provide some changes. So in this we have all these are objects. So don't go to the objects, we must change 2 positions. First position is we must add a line in user programs, nothing but it will mention as u programs. So let's search for that user programs. If we go down, we'll have it. So here I have my user programs, uprogs. So here just add a single line underscore cube backslash. So this line is completed. So second change is we must make second change in extras. So let's go to extras. So here my extra is available. So here I am going to add my cube. So just give a space and add cube.c file. So this file work is also completed. Let's just close it. So now we have created all the files and all the changes are updated. So finally, to compile this, before we start, let's just clean, make space clean. So after running the clean command, we shall go with make space so this will so if you have any errors, it will be displayed here. So I have a small error. So I have both the errors in system call function, system call file. So let's just open syscall dot c file, syscall dot c file. So I have made some errors here. Let's just solve them. So what we have made changes, we have added an external block and internal block here, sorry, static block here. So in external, okay, I forgot to give the underscore, that's it. So here I forgot to give the underscore. So let's just save this, next it. So let's again try to run the command make space uma. So without errors it has been compiled. So next we shall list all the call functions like system calls. So see, square is a system call and cube is also system call. This one I have made before, now we have made this. So directly you can call cube. So cube value of 2 is 8. So we got 8 as output. So guys, sorry for the explanation, I can't explain in detail all the points, just I want to mention all the comments. So apologies for not explaining in depth, but the comments are repetitive for anything, for making cube or square or some addition or subtraction. So all the files changes where you have to make changes is same. So and please do join our Telegram group where we'll provide some polls, and based on that polls we'll make future videos like this. So thank you.